QNT generally faces medium-term opposition at $270.58, or so they in every practical sense thought. The in every practical sense current exchanging volume of Quant by and large is at $17,409,124 and in a huge manner. QNT generally acquired roughly 167% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, which for the most part really is very critical in an essentially enormous manner. Quant in a real sense shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week in an unpretentious manner. 24 February 2024. In this video, we will sort of walk you through Quant cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly in every way that really matters, clarified some things, facts. What especially is certainly transient cost expectation for Quant, for the most part, is QNT an excellent interest in a pretty most certainly enormous manner, which is genuinely huge. Quant support and obstruction levels and so on in a quite huge manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging genuinely lovely profound into the QNT specialized investigation, especially let us explicitly discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, which by and large is very huge. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there by and large was a ruin of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,977,896,265,575. The very all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $50,334,576 to $911 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how Quant support and opposition levels and so on in a quite huge manner, which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,543.17 level after a vertical development of 0.77% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as ethereum generally, has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2,987.48 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how the in every way that really matters, complete exchanging volume sort of certainly remains at $50,334,576,911, or so they for the most part thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time period, or so they sort of thought in an unpretentious manner. Sol, the especially local coin of Solana in a real sense all things considered, is up by 2.3 and as of now exchanging at $103.77 in a sort of significant manner. Furthermore, XRP came to $55 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem, pretty beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. These occasions especially show that the market in every practical sense is going in a genuinely descending heading for a specially present moment, truly in spite of prevalent thinking in a significant way. As of now, a by and large broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Quant backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized markers used to, for the most part, recognize in every way that really matters, by and large key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Support sort of really is a level at which purchases for the most part become essentially substantially more kind of dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which merchants for the most part become move kind of exceptionally dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that the sort of complete exchanging volume truly sort of stands at $50,334,576,911 in an unobtrusive manner. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Quant QNT Quant execution as per Priceanalysis market record. Quant QNT explicitly is exchanging at $104.46 with an exchanging volume of $17,409,124, showing how these occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a really descending heading for momentary in an all things considered, genuinely significant way. However, QNT generally has seen a cost increment of 167% in the very last 24 hours. QNT cost changes 3.7% over the course of the week, with an essentially all-out market capitalization of $1,261,168,860 as USD, kind of additional appearance how Quant backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize extremely lovely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking in a genuinely significant manner. Quant Value Investigation QNT Cost Examination for 24 February 2024 inside a very day-to-day time period in a real sense certainly made sense of beneath, exhibiting that quant support and opposition levels and so on, which explicitly generally is very critical. We utilize commonly fundamentally relative strength indexes, moving decently commonly normal union and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of basic moving most certainly normal SMA and dramatic moving truly normal MA to break down the future development of the quant, extremely further appearance how moreover XRP came to $1.55 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem in an exceptionally large way. The exceptionally relative strength file RSI shows that the QNT coin especially is exchanging overbought stage, as RSI by and large is at 87, or so they for the most part thought, which is genuinely huge. Quant especially most certainly is moving in especially beautiful descending heading as fundamentally bears effectively really take the coin underneath quick help level of $138.68 in every practical sense, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently QNT ought to in every way that really matters, track down a help at $95.14 or, more than likely the vendors could then focus on the significant help level set at $314.12, showing how furthermore XRP came to $55 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem. In an especially large way. The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining above of the sort of sine line after a by and large certain hybrid, showing how quant backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized markers used to, for the most part, distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an especially significant way, or so they thought. Quant financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the very everyday outline, which essentially is genuinely critical. While QNT's Williams % R marker explicitly is at 21.441 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange certainly signal, for the most part sort of is especially conceivable at this reach, exceptionally further appearance how quant backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are. Significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish commonly genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which really is very critical, or so they thought. Ends from the specialized investigation, the extremely by and large pattern of the quant generally is as yet negative. Nonetheless, the value activity could in every practical sense shows an endeavor of bullish decently inversion with its bullish immersing flame design, so market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours. There sort of was a ruin of 184%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1 to $977, $896, $200.